it's Brie. Yes, it's real. Look. Ouch, ouch, look. It's not AI, it's real. So this is the 2025 Wildflower Cases haul. I'm so excited to show you guys what I got. I got an iPhone 16 Pro Max. You guys know I used to have the iPhone 16. Used to have the iPhone 12 Pro Max before this phone, so I went from the 12 Pro Max to the 16 Pro Max. That's why I stopped buying cases for a little bit, because I had such an old iPhone. I'm very excited about my 16 Pro Max. I'm still loving it, and I have it in the, I think it's called the Desert Gold color. And if you're wondering where I've been, where have you been? I've been posting Aritzia hauls. I know you guys who love Wildflower Cases usually like Aritzia clothing as well. They actually used to sell Wildflower Cases on Aritzia's website, but you know, things come and go. That to say, go ahead and check out my Aritzia hauls. I brought lots of really, oops, oh my gosh, sweat. I bought lots of really cool, I got, oh my gosh, that was so embarrassing. It's 95 degrees where I live right now, so that's why I have sweat under my arms. I did not know that was gonna happen. Okay, look, it says right now it's 91. Oh, see, oh, so much better than 95. Do you see that? So anyway, I've done plenty of clothing shopping. I've spent like $5,000 on clothes so far in 2025. So go ahead and watch all of those Aritzia shopping videos. You're not gonna want to miss it. Let's get started on the Wildflower Cases anyway. Oh, and for anyone who did not get the memo yet, if I look any different from my last Wildflower Cases video, that's because I've lost 87 pounds since my last Wildflower Cases videos, just through diet and exercise. We'll talk about that some other time, but that's just if you're wondering why I look different. Alright, so first we have the Ming Lee Wildflower Cases collab, and when I was a kid, I used to wear her mother's clothing line, Baby Fat. So if you guys remember that clothing line, I think they did a collaboration with Pretty Little Thing a few years ago. You guys will know that this is really OG Baby Fat kind of aesthetic, very New Jersey, New York City, clothing vibes from the early 2000s. That was Baby Fat. So I'm not from New Jersey or New York, but I live in New York City, and when I was a kid I used to love the New Jersey New York look, so that's why I got so into Baby Fat. Anyway, this is definitely like an ode to the early 2000s Baby Fat. So I absolutely love it. It's like old school glamour. Whenever you pair red with leopard, that's always like old school glamour. You could even say it's like 1980s glamour, because yeah, this is a classic. Alright, so let's try it on. I'm taking off this $50 case that I got from Apple Store. The ones from the Apple Store are almost twice as expensive as the ones from Wildflower, and I feel like they're half as protective. So this is, we're making history right now. This is so exciting. I'm so happy. Alright, bye to the ones from the Apple Store. This is don't get it, don't do it. Look at that. This is the one that you need. And I can't forget to show you the stickers that the Ming Lee collaboration came with. We've got the cherries. These are a little bit darker than the cherries on the case, but they are delicious looking cherries nonetheless. But I think that's Ming Lee's signature. And then of course we've got the leopard to really, you know, tie into the whole look. Alright, so next, this one is crazy cute. You're not gonna believe it. It is the Berry Tart case by Wildflower. So I was in Costco. I'm a big Costco shopper. I like to eat a lot of food, so buying it in bulk is kind of perfect for me. I saw a girl in Costco at the food court with this case, and I mean, it was in the food court. It had cherries on it and berries on it, and so I was like, yeah, I'm sold. We're gonna go ahead and take off our Ming Lee case, and we're gonna pop on, I call it my Costco case, but it's the berry, cherry, blueberry, blackberry case, the Tart cherry case, and it is just so deliciously fruit themed. For any of you fruit lovers, this looks like actual real fruit in the flesh. It is so pretty, and I love the blues, the purples, and the reds all in one against this like creamy white. Not exactly a bone white background, but it's a creamy white, and it is so pretty. And we can't forget the stickers that come with our berry kiss. We've got the matching berry stickers. Oop, upside down. This one says, love you very much. I'm sorry, very much. Love you very much. Alright, so next we've got the Miranda case. Now, I'm gonna be honest, I'm not that familiar with Miranda. Don't come for me, don't get mad at me. I don't know everyone on the face of the planet. So, but she seems really cool. I like her hair, and this looks so dreamy. It looked like what's that what is it, My Little Pony. It was giving My Little Pony. And to be honest with you, I never watched My Little Pony as a kid. This is gonna sound really random, but I didn't know what network it was on, so I didn't watch the show. And I just wanted to spend time with my brother, so I would just watch what my brother was watching, to be frank with you. This is so pretty. We've got yellows, and we've got light pinks, and we've got light purples, and we've got light blues. Just all of the pastel colors that we all love, just kind of blended throughout, and it looks like a dreamy kind of like a heavenly rainbow happening with stars on top in all of the same colors. It is just very you know, like a dream pixie kind of rainbow fantasy mashup on your phone. I really love it. We're gonna take our fruit tart case off and pop on Miranda, and isn't that just something else? And for the stickers, we have the matching Miranda sticker, and we have this really cool early Y2K 2000 sticker. So next we have, and this is so exciting, it is the MagSafe case, and this was a part of the collection, the first collection of MagSafe cases that Wildflower has done. It came in black, and it came in the most prettiest pink color I've ever seen. And so, I mean, of course I had to get the pink because it's prettiest ever. It is so glorious, so beautiful. It's so richly and vibrantly pink. Oh, and by the way, it's still the same welcome to the fam little card with some instructions, I think, inside of the pamphlet. And let's try it on. So we're gonna take off Miranda and put on bright pink MagSafe. And so it does have the magnet. You can see right in here that it does have the magnet. You see that? Magnet. Alright, here we go, here we go. So pretty. And the next order of business is the stickers. So, fruit basket, very cute, nice and pink themed. It came, this is funny, with the Wildflower Christmas collab, but it's kind of pink and red themed, so it's on brand, it's on theme. And then it comes, oh, and it just fell, the I Love Wildflower sticker. Alright, so next we have the Dream Hearts Wildflower Case, and what drew me to this one the most was that it's both light blue and light purple at the same time. So when you hold it next to something that is a very clear sky, light blue if you will, when you hold it next to that, it looks really, really purple, but without it, it's kind of, is it purple? Is it periwinkle? Is it light purple? Is it lavender? What is it, you know? So I love things that take a little extra brain power to figure out, and that's why the Dream Hearts just had to be in my collection. And we have kind of what looks like to be glow-in-the-dark light pink hearts adorning the case. Do you like the way I use that word? And it is just beautiful, and it's very you know, dream-esque, very, you know, it's very calm. I like the calm of the storm that this case brings. Alright, let's go ahead and try her on. We're gonna pop out the little card that's in all of the Wildflower cases, and we're gonna take off the MagSafe, and we're gonna pop on the Dream Hearts. Oh, I was gonna just put on the MagSafe again, to be honest with you. And that's what the heat will do to you. It'll make you loopy. Cold might do that to you too. There it is. You know, this reminds me a lot of pink hearts in the sky at sunset. That's really what this looks like. Very pretty. A dusky sunset though, not like a sunny sunset. You know, a gloomy, dusky sunset. Just very, it's very pretty. Alright, now for stickers, you cannot forget the stickers. We have kind of some blue themed stickers. Some lavender themed stickers. We've got the Crazy Clowns, which is such a cute case that Wildflower did. And let me know if you guys have the Crazy Clown top girl, the Crazy Clown case in the comment section down below. And then we've got some light blue kind of lavender tulips, I think they are. There's only one thing left to do, and that's to figure out which case I want to use first. I've got this wonderful little mess right next to me of all the cases that I just opened, and I have a cat that does not belong to me under my bed. The cat owner is coming in 15 minutes to come pick her up, so go ahead, and while I'm doing that, while I'm getting this cat ready, I need you to go to one of the videos that you have not seen yet. Check it out. Let me know what you guys think of the clothes that I've been buying and my direction that my style is going into, because you guys know that is my true passion. I've got a passion for fashion. I know that's such a corny phrase, but in my case it's actually very true. That's what these Wildflower cases are for, to make a fashion statement, not so much as a tech statement. I know some of you guys used to tell me, I'm your favorite tech YouTuber. I'm like, thank you so much, but I'm not tech. I'm not the tech person. So for more fashion, for more Wildflower, go ahead and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and I'm gonna see you in the next one. Mwah. Bye.